Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to move elements in card.co so you can perfectly arrange your layout and keep your design organized. Let's get into it. First, use the drag and drop method. The most intuitive way to move an element is simply to grab it and place it where you want it to go. Hover your mouse over the element you want to move until a blue outline appears. Click and hold the element, then drag it up or down the page. As you move the element, you'll see a thick blue horizontal line appear between other elements. This line indicates the drop zone. Release your mouse button when the blue line is in the exact spot where you want the element to sit. Next, move elements into containers. If you want to move an element side by side with another, like putting an icon next to text, you need to move it into a container. Drag your element directly over a container or control element. When the blue drop line appears inside the container's borders, let go. Once inside, you can switch the container's setting to columns to move elements horizontally instead of just stacking them vertically. If you decide an element should no longer be part of that group, simply click and drag it vertically until the blue line jumps outside of the container's box and back onto the main page background. Card will automatically shift the remaining elements to fill the gap. And that's pretty much it. To move elements in Card, use drag and drop to follow the blue guidelines for vertical movement. If you need to move elements horizontally or create complex layouts, drag them into a container first and switch the type to columns to give you total control over whether your elements sit on top of each other or side by side across the screen. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.